Okay.
This is a 99 Ford Escort.
Ford Escort.
It won't start. Go ahead and try it out one more time. It seems like the time belt or something might have gone bad on it. Go ahead. You're going to kill your battery. Go ahead and turn it off.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah. The fuel pump did make a noise.
He said it could be the fuel filter too.
I really doubt it. You will still turn it on. It's just
Yeah, I mean, it used to crank up on the first turning the key.
Alright, let's see if we can hear. Don't turn it on all the way. Let's see if we can hear again that noise.
Okay, ready?
Don't turn it on all the way. Just Yep. The fuel pump is good, man. It's something on front of the engine.
And what is it, though?
I don't know. You said they did a time change. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you this 99.
He called me today when I went up there.
Ford
he said
Escort
we
1 star.
fixed that.
Thank you, guys.